Hello everyone, welcome to Publicize eDiscussion. Today we are going to demonstrate our new Excel-based utility which eliminates the causes of the wastage of the check pages. Since now it is your time to take the initiative to minimize the causes of the check dishonor due to overwriting, spelling errors and other errors of filling check manually. Our customizable check printing utility facilitates to customize the printing object as per your requirement. We would like to inform you that since 2020 it is successfully working at corporate, and as per users' opinion, less than 10 seconds are enough to complete the drawing of each check. So you are requested to be experienced with the magical performance of our utility, followed by the link of the demonstration at I button and description. Thank you very much. Before going in-depth demonstration, we would like to show two scenarios which often happen in practical field frequently. Case 1, blank checks to the supplier. Means in case of B2B transactions, it has been observed that buyers need to provide the blank checks to the suppliers to maintain the continuation of the transactions. So here only pay name is possible to know. Second thing which is happens in this case, only name is mentioned, others informations are not mentioned, so it is not possible to write down. This is the case 1. Case 2, it has been also observed that drawers fill in the blanks partially. For example, one drawer has written on the hard copy of the check manually only pay name, date and amount in digit. So these have mentioned on the hard copy, only amount in words not mentioned. So what is the solution here? Solution to either write manually or to print by using any of the utility. Here our utility is one unique thing have been developed, that is customizable check printing utility it is. Let us see the detailed demonstration. For example, before taking one example, we would like to make you inform that this white colored portion is the printing area. Printing area means page setup, print area have been set on this portion, this white colored portion. So which will be reflected on this white colored portion that will be printed on the hard copy of the check. So which information is need to print? For example, Publicize eDiscussion, this is the pay name, for example. So it has been mentioned already by the drawer. So it is not required to print again. So uncheck it. Just click on uncheck and it will not be printed because it is not reflected even on this white colored portion, means no question to print on the hard copy of the check. And also which is required, just untick and untick, which is not required untick, and which is required tick on the box. And here others buttons are available here. For clicking the clear name, the name will be cleared from this field. This field is manually need to write down. Here we would like to tell that name can be written in small letter or block letters, whatever, but that will be converted automatically in block letter when it will be printed. For example, here the last one, company 3 private limited, this is the combination of the block and small letters. just select it, and for printing these are combination of small letter and the block letters. For printing area, please see that everything has become the block letters automatically. By default it is going on. So this is the beauty of the name section, and in case of check amount we have to give the amount here. For example, here we are giving this amount. Automatically amount in words is reflecting on the printing area. No need to write manually. Same as date also will be reflected if it is required to print. One information in case of date, that is date will be always digits only. None of the special characters, none of the any space will be included in the date portion. Only the digit and format, which will be format, that is DDMMYYYY. This format will be followed by, and some of the extra information we would like to tell, that is please ensure that reflected inputs on the white colored portion are relevant for next printing on the hard copy of the check or checks. Otherwise, check page or pages may be valueless, because if wrong input are printed on the wrong check, then definitely that will be wastage of the check page and definitely cause of the check bounce. And do not make, please note, do not make any sort of changes like font, size or any other addition or alteration or deletion of row or column. It is not possible because password protected, but I am just telling because when anyone will take this utility, definitely we will give them the password to unprotect the set. And so at that time any changes should not be made. Otherwise page setup can be disordered. And here yes, another one third information, that is set up your printer accordingly, according to the check and hard copy of the check. And when everything is okay, then just click on the print to print automatically. And here before pressing on print, we would like to tell also that in case of clear name, when we will click on the clear name, clear amount, clear date, that will be cleared individually. And also if we want to reset this section, then if we reset details, click on reset details, then everything will be cleared. This field is for manual writing, means put your name. Yes, pay name list, pay names can be enlisted here, and if we enlist the name, then definitely that will be come on the drop down and we can select it. And when everything is okay, if we press, for example, name should be printed and amount should be printed on the hard copy. Others information are not being printed because these have been already mentioned on the hard copy manually. Sorry. So let us print it. Here in our PC there is no printer, so install printer is not available, so that's why here only PDF. I am just showing the print preview of that. So let us see the print preview. Yes, which enabled that have been only printed on this reflected on this PDF. Here it is coming PDF due to lack of the printer, but if you have printer already available and installed on your PC, then definitely automatically printing will be started. Here this is the short demonstration of our utility. By using this utility, definitely it will facilitate the customizing facility, which we have already mentioned, that just tick and tick for enabling and disabling the options and printing objects. This is the main uniqueness of our utility. And another one thing, that is, it also helps to save your time of drawing a check. We have already mentioned that it is working at corporate field practically since 2020, and as per the user's opinion, less than 10 seconds are enough to complete this drawing of the each check. So this is the beauty of this utility. If you want to get this utility, plain and simple way of getting this, go to description where one link of Google form is available. Please fill up that form and apply for getting this utility at free of cost. Yes, from our side, one pleading have, that is, some of the pleading have, that is, please subscribe our channel for spreading our videos widely. Please share with your friends, and also please, if you like our presentation and our demonstration, and also if you like our this creation, then please thumbs up, please press on thumbs up, and if you dislike, then do not hesitate to press the dislike icon. And thank you very much for watching our videos.